Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a very famous Warli art which is called Tharpa Dance. So for this I am drawing on a tote bag. I'll use acrylic paints and you can draw on canvas, paper, anything whatever you like you can make on that. And we need a glass of water to wash our brushes. We need the paints of desired colors. We need a 000 number brush to draw and to paint. And we need a compass to draw the circle. We need a pencil and eraser. We also need a rough cloth to wipe our brushes in pen so that it is easy for you all to see. So first we are drawing the Tharpa player. Tharpa is an instrument made of bamboo mostly. So this is a man who is going to play the Tharpa. This is the hand. The hand's position should be at this part of the Tharpa. This is the mouth. It can be male, it can be female also. Now, this part is semicircle, spiral actually, not circle. It's just a spiral. And on this spiral, we'll keep on drawing the man or woman or man and woman both. Why we are drawing this? So that all the men or women, whatever you are drawing, will have same size. This is the first person's hand is free hand. So we'll show like this. Just one X. Draw the two lines around the X. Or draw one Z. Whichever way it is comfortable to you. If you want to draw ladies, then you can show a bun. If you want to show only male, no need to show the bun. Next head, try to make between these two. Around the circle, they can draw another line of 1 centimeter or so that all the feet will be in the same height. Like height of each dancer will be almost same. Like here, you can draw a dotted line and later on you can erase it. So that all the feet are of same size. Now the last one will have a stick in the hand. On the top, I'm showing one person with dhapli, one with bigul. Then at the bottom, two men playing a big drum. Men or woman you can show playing a damaru, somebody playing a big drum, somebody playing the dholak, this is Indian red, and this is orange mixed with white. The original colors of Warli are on the brown background. They make it with the rice paste. Rice is soaked overnight and then grind, and then they make it. Make with any color actually. Nowadays, lots of contemporary work is going on. Same, almost same design with little bit changes is there in Sora art. Although their places of origin are very far, but in design and everything, lots of similarities are there. Sora is Odisha, uh, Andhra Pradesh, present day Telangana, and this is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. But it so happened that that time, I think 5-10,000 years back, people learned to draw the line drawings. That was innovative thing that time, and their drawings were almost same, except that in Sora everything is curved, and in Warli everything is triangular. So after every 5-10 minutes, please wash your brush. I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.